stories right now would make you, pwede kong maligawan to go back, maybe to acting?
Akala ko maligawan, period.
Ay, hindi kasi di ba ngayon, parang may search tayo ng mga producer doing offbeat stories.
Yes.
And, I mean, your freshness fits the bill, di ba? So, anong mga storya kaya would entice you to go back to acting?
Siguro something light, because for now, no, something light, because like I said, I haven't done a movie in a long time. My last was Jaja Zatorna ba or Video King. One of those, no. One is a musical comedy, and both are musical comedies, and I enjoy doing them. So sana dun muna tayo. Drama, siguro pag medyo nakagawa na ako at naging comfortable na uli ako in front of a movie camera, no? Yes, but I would love to do something a little bit light. Gusto ko yung alam kong kaya kong gawin. Or malay mo action, parang action star naman si Papa, di ba? Malay natin.
Sino gusto mo makatamba, if ever?
Ako, hindi ako mapili, maski na sino. Like I said, it's gonna be another comeback for me. So, I will be very grateful just to be asked to do a movie again. Ayan.